Hi everyone, Marion Emberson here. Big smile on my face because a couple of weeks ago on one of my videos, a lady commented, and I'm saying a lady, I don't know whether you're male or female, I'm so sorry. Your username is Shal Singh 5038. I've got it on big things in front of me. I can't see. I might go like that. I do apologise because I don't know your actual name. But he, she, I'm going to say she. Right, I'm just going to throw it out there. She reminded me that Creative Expressions was closing down and had a sale on. And I was like, oh, God, yeah, I forgot about that. Thank you for reminding me. So I went on there and I bought some stuff. And then I went on again and I bought some more stuff. So I'm going to say, would you like to see what I've bought? I've got this box and I've got this box. Now, I can't remember what I bought. I hope it's not broke, whatever it is. Can't remember what I bought, so I thought, would you like to come along on the little journey and have a look what I bought with me? So let me just clear out some room and we'll start opening. Okay, see you in a minute. Okay, so they were done up like Fort Knox, so I've already gone in. I haven't looked at them, but I've already gone in and just sliced them open. So I'm gonna go into the big one first. I'm gonna put that aside. So let's just, oh yes, I ordered loads of Ranger stuff, that's right. It was so cheap. Oh, this is all right, it's just been thrown in there. And they're closed now, I think, so I can't even send it back if there's anything wrong with it. Hey ho. Okay, let's throw that over there. Right, what have I got? Oh yeah, I've been wanting a plate. Look at those two colours together. Oh my goodness. Oh, can you see them? Look. So these are the Dina Wakley gloss sprays. I have got no idea how to use them. I don't know what they look like, but I just saw them and they were really, really cheap. And I thought, okay, go for it. So I got fuchsia, turquoise, cheddar. Cheddar? My cheddar cheese don't look like that. I'd be worried if it did. Ocean. I don't know what they're... Right, it's an opaque acrylic spray that dries to a glossy finish. Okay, I wonder what if it splats nice as well. Okay, play with that. Carnation. Obviously, there's something in the bottom that you've got to... You can hear the ball bearing in there, so you have to shake them up. Okay. We'll see. Oh, what was that called? Olive. And then this one is Night. Oh, I've got a few of these. Aloe, as in aloe vera. I've got a friend called Vera. I always go, aloe vera. Mineral. Guilt, as in, not guilt as in guilty. I feel guilty for buying this stuff. Guilt as in golden guilt. Oh, no, that's not it. And magenta. That doesn't look very magenta to me, but hey ho, we'll see. Anyway, so I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 of those. Then I've got a couple of Distress Oxide sprays. I don't know what made me go for oranges because I don't really like orange as a rule. They must have just been really cheap. I can't remember how much they were. Spiced marmalade and ripe persimmon. Let's just move those over there. I've got myself some alcohol inks. Oh, look at these colours. And this is from someone who's scared of colour. So Enchanted, these are old ones, Laguna, but Fiesta, I don't think I've got Fiesta, but I've got most of these. Intrigue, and I'm sure there was something stupid like, they was like 76p or something, Gumball, don't think I got that. Oh, I didn't have the Alloy Foundry, so I got that as well. Ember and Dijon, so I'll have to do something with those. I'm just throwing them all back in the bag. And then I've got myself some archival ink because I've got some archival in black, but look at that, speckled egg in archival. So loved those two. So I've got those. And And then what have I got here? Oh, yeah, Fanciful Flowers embossing folder. Might look better. Oh, that would look nice, actually, with the alcohol ink technique that I do. And then this stencil, what was that called? Paved. I don't know why I got that, but you know what it's like when you're just on and you just, yeah. Let me throw that down there. Right, put that there. And bring the second box in. It's just really weird that there's no invoice in there. I'll have to go maybe back on my... Oh, look, I think I put some more gloss sprays. I hope I like them. I've got loads. Okay, so marine, turquoise. At least they're different. I'm going to have to make room for these. Oh, olive. Did I already got... Yeah, look. So literally within hours of ordering one lot, and then I went back in and ordered some more. I've ordered the same one twice. And magenta I've ordered twice as well. Olive and magenta. I didn't realise I'd already got them. Such a numpty. What's it? Oh, yeah. Oh, yes. Right. Okay. So this was some other alcohol ink. Bria Reese. I'd never ever heard of Bria Reese. Again, there was a silly price, and I thought, oh, do you know what? Just get them and try them. So these are all those, and look at those colours. They just look beautiful. Not sure what they compare to the Ranger ones like, but I'll certainly find out. Oh, another one. Was this? Oh, white, that is. I think I got a black and white there. Yeah, I got a black and white, and then I got another white. What was this? This is, I don't know. Let's open it. All I remember, I'm sure I spent £30 on the first order and £40 on the next one. And I got free delivery. Oh, Jane Davenport, Collage Medium. Never used it. Thought I'd just get it. I don't know why. Honestly, I'm a salesman's dream. Okay, I don't remember ordering a micron. I did remember ordering a micron because I used to use these years ago, Pigma microns, but I would have ordered black, but they've either sent me the wrong one or I pressed the wrong one. But there's a red one there, so if I need to do some writing in red, there you go. Then I thought, okay, Cosmic Shimmer Texture Paste. That's very bright. But those two colours together, look at those two. So that's just your normal texture paste. That looks very pearly, actually. So I'll give that a go. And then this one, I've been meaning to get one of these for ages. This is the Wendy Vecchi Make Art ruler. So it's like the middle bit. Yeah, so if you're sort of centering something out, you can say, oh, okay. I think that's how you use it. I don't know. There's the centre, because there's me two, and then I can find me centre, allegedly. So I got that, and then, what did I get here? Cosmic Shimmer Strata Paste. It's a dimensional paste combining large mica flakes and a texture paste to give a rugged structure once dry. Oh, it can be applied using a spatula or fingers. Okay. Okay. We'll see what... Okay. Can I say okay anymore? So that is my little haul. I thought I'd ordered more stencils and embossing folders. Maybe they sold out before my order got put through. I don't know. The only trouble is when you get stuff like this. And so I think, I'm sure, look. I'm sure all of this come to like 70 quid. £70. So what's that in dollars? What, I don't know, $100? Which, I'm not saying I flippantly just go spend 70 quid on stuff, but it was an absolute bargain. So you think you got all of that. That's a lot. That is a lot of stash, isn't it? What I was going to say is the only trouble when you've got all this stuff in front of you is, what do you use first? I have got no idea. I'm going to have a little look. I'm going to open some of these. I'm probably going to try the gloss sprays first because they just look beautiful. I want to try them on different substrates. I'll try them on wood. I don't know how opaque they are. Yeah, anyway. Oh, does it? Oh, it does say it's an opaque. Okay, so we'll see. Anyway, yeah. I will have a play and then I will see you in another video using some of my stash. So thank you again, Charles Singh 5038. I think I might have said 9 last time. I don't know. I got my glasses on this time so I can see it a little bit better. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed that little unboxing with me. Not quite a craft video, but sort of. And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks, guys. Bye.